You search for how to buy shares of Instacart. This video explains the process. Instacart is a grocery delivery and pickup platform that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CART. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registration, you will be asked to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CART to find Instacart. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct Instacart listing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your Instacart position will appear in your portfolio. Find the link in the description for the broker example if you want to explore the platform interface.